Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gabby from Fox and Bunny Rise, and in today's video we're going to be making these cute polymer clay glitter earrings. So without further ado, let's get into the video. If you've been watching our videos, you would probably notice that there used to be a shelf there and now it's been replaced by a bunch of boxes. It's because we are moving soon, so we started packing. So in the next couple of weeks you're going to see stuff disappearing from the background. So firstly I'm going to cut some black polymer clay and roll it out so that it's easier to pass through pasta machine, and then I am going to condition it using Atlas 150 pasta machine. And the polymer clay was actually quite soft because it was a warm day. So after conditioning, we're going to cut out 3 different shapes from this polymer clay, and then we're going to bake it in the oven for 30 minutes at 110 degrees Celsius. After baking, we're going to file the edges and ensure that the pieces are nice and smooth. So now we're going to add glitter to the pieces, and the first method that I tried was actually try to use some glue to stick the glitter down, but it just became a mess and it didn't quite work the way I wanted to, so we had to switch it to a different method. So what I did with the second one, I just used some gloss and painted it on like nail polish, and that method worked so much better, and I used the same method on all of the pieces. So we did 3 different colors of glitter, which was gold, red and blue, and I did the combination of fine glitter and the chunkier glitter. We also did 2 designs. One is this red one where it's concentrated in the middle and spread out on the sides, and the gold and the blue ones have more glitter on one side and then it fades out as it goes up or down the piece. So next I just used some UV resin to seal in the glitter on the piece and make it nice and shiny, and I repeated this process for all of the pieces. I really like how this blue glitter looks on the black base. It's so beautiful. So after that, I just drilled some holes in all of the pieces and actually used a hand drill, and it wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be. It was just a lot of twisting. I really like how these pieces turned out, they're so beautiful. So I just started opening the jump rings to prepare for the assembly, and I almost opened the silver one instead of gold, and I don't know why it mattered, but I wanted to go in order. And then I'm going to start assembling the pieces with the earrings, and we're going to be using these earring posts with cubic zirconia, and they're absolutely beautiful. These ones remind me of a tree for some reason, but I don't know, they're so pretty and I love them. And the blue ones will have just a normal circular cubic zirconia earring post. So these ones remind me of little teardrops. That's why I added this circular cubic zirconia earring post, but it is so cute. I'm obsessed with the black and blue combination, and it is so pretty. I didn't think I would like the teardrop shape for some reason, but I fell in love with it, honestly. So now I'm going to show you what all the pairs look like on me and against the light. If you would like to get a pair, these will be launching on our website at foxandbunnyrice.com on 16th of July. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye!